In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Shindo Life Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and play Shindo Life. This is going to work for any platform, so PC, consoles, or mobile. All that you have to do is use the search function to look for Shindo Life. You will be able to find the experience on all platforms, and you can confirm that it is the official one by the fact that it has 2.5 billion visits and 90% of likes. So once you find Shindo Live, just go ahead and join. It is going to take a while to load everything, but once everything loads, you will be able to choose between three main options. So you will see Shinobi Live 2, give it some time for the title screen to go away, and then you will be able to choose between Play, which allows you to just enter the game right away, or you can choose game modes to see additional modes, and finally the option to edit your character. So the first time you start playing, you will have to change your character. So you will be able to customize the hair, the face, beard, band, outfit, shoes, and even the colors here. So once you have completed the customization, you can go ahead and choose between play or game modes. If you want to experience the main mode of Shinobi Life, go into play and choose where you want to spawn. So as you can see, they have various locations on the map. You have some villages and then events. So just choose the village that you would like to spawn on and then enter. Like I said, this will take a while to load, and keep in mind that this video is not supposed to be a beginner's guide. There is a lot of stuff to go over, so I recommend that you watch one of those after you are done with this video. I just wanted to show you how you can find the official experience, join, and set up your character. And now that you are inside of Shinobi Life, you are ready to play. You will be able to interact with all of the NPCs, talk to them, complete quests, improve your stats and skills, and you will get instructions on how to combat. So you can use left and right click to block and attack, you can use Q to do heavy attacks, you can dash with X, and there is a lot to explore. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Shindo Life Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.